Today's episode is 17 reacts to Bakugou snore gets replaced with number block 54 snore, but he destroyed it. And this video has been requested by Chody Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 17. I'm going to react to Bakugou's snore gets replaced with number block 54's snore, but that's not what he deserves, a stupid snore replacement. But anyways, let's get rid of it. You made his snore from restful to disgustful. Well, you know what? That's it. I'm gonna explode you with a grenade. Well, the screen turned black. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 207.